Hi peeps, always good to see you visiting my channel. Welcome. So you want to know how to replace the power jack on this Acer laptop. Acer Aspire A515 exact model listed right in front of you. Well, look no further because you came to the right video guide. Without further ado, let's get straight into it, shall we? Just as a quick reminder, many replacement parts will be listed below in the description box of this video regarding this laptop. Safety first. Before doing anything on the motherboard, please disconnect the battery. Power jack connected to the motherboard right here. So I will just pry it loose by approaching from both sides like this. One faulty connector going away. Good thing I have a spare and a brand new one for just about around $15. I will first plug in the little connector and then fit the metallic port. Also make sure you tuck away the short wire nicely underneath this hinge. Reconnecting the battery again. That is it, folks. Another do-it-yourself video guide finished. Hope you found it useful. If you did, please click on the little like button below. It would mean the world to me. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. And until we meet again, successful upgrading.